Hello and welcome back to the EmpowerHer Business Accelerator podcast. I'm Philippa Channer, and this week we're going beyond just understanding your clients' pain points. It's time to position you as the guide, the expert, the solution that they've been searching for. If you're a new listener, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single episode filled with business growth strategies. And remember, the EmpowerHer program is designed to help you unlock your full potential as a female entrepreneur. So if you're ready to see if it's the right fit for you, let's chat. You can book a free discovery call with me. The link is in the show notes. And have you heard about our upcoming EmpowerHer Power Sessions? This is not your average workshop, my friend. It's a half-day intensive designed to help you break through those stubborn blocks and create a business that truly lights you up. We're going to be diving deep into crafting a crystal clear value proposition that speaks directly to your ideal client's hearts. We'll be working on ditching the imposter syndrome and confidently owning your worth. We'll map out your marketing plan that feels authentic and actually gets results for you. So think of this as like a supercharged jumpstart for your business. I invite you to join me on August 21st online or August 27th in person from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. for an afternoon of clarity, collaboration, and powerful action steps. Spots are, of course, limited, so head over to the EmpowerHer website to snag your seats right away. The link, of course, is in the show notes, and I can't wait to see you there. Now, let's get back into our regularly scheduled program and dive into the art of crafting those value propositions that make your ideal client say, yes, please, that's for me. So remember last week, backing up, we discussed the importance of understanding your ideal client's struggles, those nagging pain points that keep them up at night. But knowing the problem is just the first step. Now we have to step up and present ourselves as the guide who can lead them through their solutions. Think of your business as a bridge between your clients before, frustrated, overwhelmed, stuck, and their after, when they're confident, successful, and thriving. Your value proposition is the roadmap that shows them exactly how you're going to get them there. So first, we're going to talk about crafting your value proposition statement. You got to know it's not about you, it's about them. Your value proposition isn't a list of your skills or qualifications. This mindset shift is very crucial to make this work for you and your customers. It's about how you transform your client's situation. It's a promise that speaks directly to their deepest desires and their aspirations. So here's how you can start crafting a value proposition statement that stands out. You want to start first with the promise. What specific transformation do you offer? You want to be clear and concise. For example, help overwhelmed entrepreneurs gain clarity and confidence. So that's just the start. We can get even better than that. The next step is the proof. Back up whatever you're saying with evidence. Testimonials, case studies, or even your own results can demonstrate your expertise. So again, for example, I've helped 100 plus entrepreneurs launch profitable online businesses. And then the last step is specificity. I can't stress this one enough. Avoid generic statements. Tailor your value proposition to your niche and ideal client. So again, for example, I specialize in helping health coaches create sustainable businesses with a heart-centered approach. Very specific there. We know exactly who you are and who you're helping. All right, so now you might be thinking, who am I to make such bold claims? Do I really have enough experience, expertise to promise these results? If so, that's your inner critic talking. Shut it up. It's normal to experience imposter syndrome, especially as female entrepreneurs. But here's the thing. You are an expert. You do have unique skills, knowledge, and expertise to offer. So don't hide it. Don't feel shy about it. Remember, your value proposition is about how you can help your clients, not about proving your worth to the world. All right, so even if you're just one step ahead of your clients, you have that expertise, that level up that they don't have, so you can develop that value proposition statement and demonstrate that value that you have. So now that you've got the foundation, we're going to start brainstorming your unique value proposition. Here is a simple exercise I want each of you to do. First, you're going to grab a pen and paper or your favorite note-taking app. Next, you're going to imagine your ideal client has just achieved their biggest dream with your help. What does their life look like now? How do they feel? How have they changed? Next, you're going to now reverse engineer that success. What steps did you help them take to get there? Condense those steps into a clear, concise statement that speaks to their desires and highlights your unique experience. This exercise is going to help pull out the value that you offer at every step and give you those key words, those key statements that you're going to use to build your unique value proposition. Remember, your value proposition is the heart of your marketing message. It's what attracts your dream client and sets you apart from your competition. What I recommend to all my clients and what I'll suggest now is once you craft your value proposition statement, that is a statement that you should be plastering all over. Like for instance, your website, your social media profiles, wherever you have an opportunity to put a description of your business, that should be your value proposition. That's what I've done. So if you look at my Facebook account, my LinkedIn profile, that statement of what, description of my company, that is what you're going to see is my value proposition statement. It may need to be tailored a little bit because if there's character limits to certain places, then I'll have to reduce it a bit, but you get the idea. Once I've got this statement, that's what I put everywhere for people to know the value I offer. So, make sense? So now if you're ready to create an irresistible offer that speaks directly to your ideal clients and really highlights the value that you offer, the Empower Her program is going to guide you every step of the way. Book a free discovery call with me using the link in the show notes. We're going to transform your business together. Ladies, next week, come back. Make sure you're hearing the next step of developing your value proposition statement. And I look forward to continuing the conversation. So until then, have a great week.